Welcome to our video on AI automation to earn money while you sleep. Today we're going to explore 3 methods to make passive income with AI tools. First, let's talk about the power of AI automation and how it can help you earn money online. With the rise of AI technology, it's now possible to automate many tasks that previously required human intervention. For example, you can use AI tools to create content, manage social media, and even provide customer support. Our first method is using ChatGPT to create and sell digital products. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to generate ebooks, print-on-demand t-shirts, and even create online courses. I recently used ChatGPT to create an ebook that sold over 100 copies in just 1 week. Our second method is using AI automation to create and manage a print-on-demand store. With the help of AI tools, you can design and create products, manage inventory, and even handle customer support. I made over $500 in 1 month using this method. Our third method is using AI to create and sell an online course. With the help of AI tools, you can create video lessons, quizzes, and even provide personalized feedback to students. I recently created an online course that generated over $2,000 in 1 month. As a bonus tip, you can also use AI automation to create and manage a YouTube channel. With the help of AI tools, you can create video scripts, manage comments, and even optimize your video titles and tags. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI automation and passive income.